Unlocking the Potential of AI, a comprehensive overview. Ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome to all. Let's embark on an exciting journey today. In today's presentation, we embark on an exciting journey to explore the vast realm of artificial intelligence, AI. AI is a transformative technology that has the power to reshape industries, enhance efficiency, and revolutionize our world. Its significance in our increasingly digital and data-driven age cannot be overstated. Objectives of the presentation. 1. Understanding AI fundamentals. We will delve into the core concepts of AI, providing you with a solid understanding of what AI is, how it works, and its various applications. 2. Exploring AI's impact. We will examine the real-world impact of AI across different sectors, from healthcare to finance, and discuss the potential for AI to solve complex problems. 3. Ethical considerations. As AI's influence grows, so do the ethical questions surrounding it. We will address these concerns and explore responsible AI development. 4. Future outlook. AI is continuously evolving. We will discuss the latest trends and what the future holds for this dynamic field. What is AI? Understanding artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines capable of intelligent behavior. Its importance in the modern world is immense, as AI has found applications in various domains, including healthcare, finance, transportation, and more. Examples of AI applications. Chatbots for customer support, image recognition in self-driving cars, predictive analytics in financial services. AI's historical evolution, a journey through AI's history. We'll take you on a journey through the historical evolution of AI. From its early beginnings as a concept to the present day, AI has witnessed significant milestones and breakthroughs that have shaped its development. Key milestones and breakthroughs. Alan Turing's contributions to AI. The birth of machine learning. Modern advancements in deep learning. Types of AI, diverse facets of AI. AI comes in different forms. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed for specific tasks, while general AI, or strong AI, possesses human-like intelligence. Understanding these types is crucial for comprehending AI's capabilities and limitations. Capabilities and limitations. Narrow AI's specialized focus. General AI's potential for human-level thinking. AI in industry. AI's impact on industries. AI is significantly impacting various industries, bringing about transformative changes. In this section, we'll showcase how AI is making a difference in sectors like healthcare, finance, and transportation. Real-world examples. AI-driven medical diagnoses. Algorithmic trading in finance. Autonomous vehicles and transportation. Machine learning and deep learning. The brains behind AI. Machine learning and deep learning are the core technologies behind AI. We'll explain these concepts and illustrate their crucial role in AI development. Role in AI development. Machine learning's ability to learn from data. Deep learning's utilization in neural networks. AI ethics and concerns. Navigating AI's ethical landscape. As AI grows, so do the ethical concerns. In this segment, we'll discuss ethical considerations, including bias in AI algorithms and privacy issues. Highlighting the importance of responsible AI development is key. Ethical considerations. Bias and fairness in AI. Privacy and data protection. AI in healthcare. AI's role in revolutionizing healthcare. AI is playing a pivotal role in healthcare, from diagnosing diseases to personalized medicine. We'll explore how AI is making strides in this critical field and share success stories. Success stories. Early detection of diseases. Tailored treatment plans. AI challenges and future. Challenges in the road ahead despite its progress. AI faces various challenges, including data privacy concerns and ethical dilemmas. We'll address these challenges and discuss the potential future of AI. Challenges. Data privacy and security. Ethical dilemmas in AI. AI in everyday life. AI in our daily lives. AI is not confined to industries but is integrated into our everyday devices and services, making our lives more convenient and efficient. We'll highlight AI's omnipresence and its impact. Everyday applications. Voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. Recommendation systems on streaming platforms. How to get started with AI. Diving into AI. Where to begin for those interested in exploring AI? We'll offer advice on where to begin. This includes recommendations for online courses and resources to kickstart your AI journey. Getting started. Online AI courses and tutorials. AI communities and forums. Conclusion. Closing thoughts. As we near the end of our journey through AI, we'll summarize the key takeaways from this presentation. We encourage you to continue exploring the dynamic world of AI and its limitless possibilities. Thank you for joining us. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to all of you for being a part of this enlightening exploration of AI. Thank you for your active participation.